Dear students of class 4, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to study the lesson The Story of Eklavya. This story has been taken from the epic Mahabharata. So lesson 5, The Story of Eklavya. Once upon a time there was a young man called Drona. He was the son of Bharadwaja and he was a great friend of Drupada. So, children, there was a man named Drona and he was the son of Bharadwaja and his great friend was Drupada. And Drupada was very rich. He was the prince of the province called the Panchalas. When Drona was young, he spent a lot of time in the company of Drupada. So, what is company, children? Friendship or closeness. So, he had friendship with the prince of Panchalas whose name was Drupada. So Drona was not that rich as his friend Drupada, and Drupada was a prince, means he was the son of a king. You will always be my friend, Drupada used to tell him. When I become the king of Panchalas, I shall call you to my court and you can help me to rule the country. So when he was small, as a child, he used to say that I will always be your friend and when I will become the king of Panchalas, I will call you and you can help me to rule the country. Rule is to govern or to control something or to have power over something. Drona grew up and married a girl called Kripi. So, whom did Drona marry? He married a girl called Kripi. Kripi was her name. And they had a son called Ashwadhama. They lived far away from the town and they were poor. Means they did not have enough money. So let us revise the characters, children. Drona was the son of Bharadwaja and his great friend was Drupada and he was the prince of Panchalas and he promised that when he will grow up, he will call him and to help him to rule his country. And as the days passed by and Drona grew up, he married a girl called Kripi and they both had a son named Ashwadhama. But they were quite poor, they did not have enough money. One day Drona said to his wife, I shall go and see my old friend Drupada. Now he is the king of Panchala. So now from a prince he had become a king of the province called, of the region called Panchalas. He will surely remember our old friendship and help us. So he set off to meet King Drupada. So he went to meet his friend Drupada. But when he got to the palace, he had an unpleasant surprise. So what is unpleasant, children? Something which causes discomfort or unhappiness. And what is surprise? An unexpected happening is a surprise. So it was a kind of unhappy experience also and something unexpected also happened with him. King Drupada was not at all pleased to see him. So pleased means he was not happy to see him. When we were young, we were friends, he said. Means Drona said that we were friends when we were small, when we were young. But now I am king with all the riches of this great kingdom and you are a poor man. So the king Drupada replies that now I am a king and I am having all the riches of this great kingdom Panchalas and you are still a poor man, you have no money. How can two such people be friends? Okay, so a rich person and a poor person cannot be friends and we are nowhere equal, so only equals can be friends. What do you know and what can you do? So Drona was very sad, he was very unhappy and he was very surprised, means he was very astonished or he did not expect that his friend would behave in such a manner. Since I last met you, I have learned the science of archery. So children, what is the science of archery? It is shooting with a bow and arrow, that is known as archery. He told the king. I care nothing for your archery. Means this science that you have learned of shooting with the bow and arrow, I do not care about it, laughed Drupada. We have plenty of fine archers in the kingdom of Panchala. So he said that there are many good archers in my kingdom and we don't need you. We do not need you. Drona was very sad, but he was also very angry. Means he was very fumed up because his friend behaved in such a bad manner with him. He left the palace, and then when he was traveling on the road to Hastinapur, he met the Kuru princess. So the road went to another province or another region called Hastinapur, and there he met the Kuru princess. And they were playing, and their ball had fallen into an old well. And however much they tried, but they could not get it out. Means they could not take out the ball out of the well. And then they asked, "Can you help us?" They asked Drona. "Can't you shoot?" asked Drona. So the Drona again questions them. When they say that, "Can you help us?" he said that, "Do you know to shoot?" "We have learnt archery," replied the young princess, "but we do not know how to get the ball out of the well." So they said that we have learned archery, we have learned the science of using the bow and arrow, but still we cannot use this science to get the ball out of the well. "I'll show you," said Drona. So he said that I'll help you to take it out. He picked some blades of grass. So what is a blade of grass? The leaf of grass, the leaves of grass he took from beside the well, and then he held up the blade of grass and said, "See, I throw this grass." Straight as an arrow, the blade of grass flew down the well and stuck into the ball. So he took out the leaves of the grass and then he put them in straight inside the arrow, and then the glass flew down the well. Okay, with great speed it went inside the well, and they stuck, means they stick to the ball, the blades of the grass, the leaves of the grass. Then Drona sent a stream of glass. Stream is in a continuous flow, many glass blades, many glass leaves. They went in continuity in a continuous flow down the well, and each of the blade of the grass stuck into the one below it. So like a chain, like a series of linked things, the blades of grass were attached to each other in a chain manner, or in a, what you can say, a series of linked items or linked things. Drona took hold of the grass chain and pulled the ball and gave it to the princess. So using this technique, he used the leaves of the grass to form a chain, and then when the chain got stuck to the ball, then he pulled it and gave it to the Kuru princess. And the Kuru princes were amazed, means they were surprised, and delighted, means they were happy. They asked Drona to stay with him as their teacher. So they asked him to become their teacher. So with Drona, they asked him to become their teacher, and all the young princes became expert in using the bow and arrow. They learned the science of archery and other weapons too. So what are weapons, children? The armaments that we use to kill someone. It can be a knife, it can be a bow and arrow, it can be a gun. But of all the young princes, Arjuna was Drona's favorite. So there were many Kuru princes, but who was Drona's favorite? Arjuna was Drona's favorite. So children, we will continue this lesson in the next part of the video. Thank you, children.